Hello guys and welcome. On today's tutorial we are going to show you some Python libraries and then how to install them. So Python libraries are just simple pre-written codes that provide functions or maybe modules to help us maybe perform some certain tasks, right? Good. So one thing is that Python has a very wide or maybe vast ecosystem of these libraries, and then they are used for different applications. So we are going to look at on today's tutorial about 5 of them, right? Good. So these five important Python libraries will help you in different applications. So the first we are going to look at is the NumPy, so which is the numerical Python, and then it's important because it provides tools for handling numerical data. Then the next of it we are going to look at is for the pandas, which is used for data analysis, right? Good, for working with structured data like tables and spreadsheet, right? Good. The next we are going to look at is the matplotlib, which is for data visualization, right? Good. So it helps us to create static or animated interactive plots. Then we would also look at what the scientific skitlearn, that's the skitlearn used in what machine learning. It provides simple tools for implementing machine learning algorithms. And then we are also going to look at request, right? Good. It allows easy communication with web servers or for making HTTP requests, right? Good. So these are the 5 Python libraries that we are going to install. So for us to install these libraries, we would come to the command prompt. Now for us to get to the command prompt, you use, maybe if you're using Windows, you use Windows arrow. Now when Windows arrow comes up, for you to run the prompt, you now use cmd, that's the command. Type the name of a program, folder or document or internet source, and Windows will open it for you. So we are trying to look at what command, right? Good. So we click on OK. Now the prompt is up. What we want to install, we can decide to install the 5 libraries at once, and then we can decide to install them one after the other. So let's install them one after the other. So we go with pip install that we want to install. Now what is pip? Pip is the Python package installer, right? So it helps you to install the Python libraries. So pip install, the first one we want to install is what? The NumPy, right? Good. So we click on enter. Okay, so it has already been installed, right? Good. The next of which we want to install is what? The pip. We go with pip install, we go with pandas, right? Good. So it has already been installed, right? Good. So we come to the next one, which is the matplotlib. So we go with pip install matplotlib. Good. So that is fixed. The next of which, ensure that in all of these you have internet connection or maybe something for you to walk through the process, right? Good. Let's now look at the skitlearn. Good. So we have successfully installed the scientific kitlearn. Ensure you are always connected to the internet when you are trying to carry out these tasks. Then finally we go with what? The pip install the requests. Good. So the request has been installed. Now that we have installed all of these, we can decide to maybe close this, and then we come to Python, and then we open a new, okay, we go to file, and then we create a new file. And then what we want to do now is that we want to test if whatever we have installed, like those 5 packages that we have installed, if they have been successfully installed. So we go with import. The first one was what? NumPy, right? We still come down to import. The next one was in pandas. We still try to import the matplotlib. Then we import the scientific skitlearn, sklearn, and then we finally import requests, right? So what we want to instruct Python to do is that if all of these packages are installed, it should just print all libraries are installed, right? Good. So we just go with print all. Okay, we need to have a quote, all installed. So we can go with that. We close that. and then we close our bracket. Now before it runs, we need to save it. So we go to File, Save As. Good. So we have navigated to our folder from solution up to Python to install packages, and then let's call this test. Right, good. And then we save that. So we can run. Good. So it actually took some time to import those packages. So however, when they were all imported, the print command was executed and we have what? All installed. So this is a testament that we have okay. This is a testament that we have successfully imported and installed. We have installed all of these packages, and then we can actually import them to what our Python interface for us to carry out some tasks with them, right? Good. So thanks for coming to class. We have shown you how to install maybe some important Python packages that you can use for your data analysis, maybe your web development or whatever the case is, right? Good. So if the video was actually interesting and educative, you can subscribe to the channel and then give it a thumbs up, so you see more content like this on the channel. So we'll see you on the next video. Bye.